Heavy presence of police personnel that has increased after the encounter that happened. Cops stationed outside, inside the village, right outside the debris that you can see scattered. This was Vikas Dubey's house, and of course, as the confirmation has come that he, in fact, as told that he, in fact, tried to run away. He was surrounded by police personnel, and then the STF of personnel, and then when they tried to stop him, asked him to surrender, he refused, and in that entire exchange of fire, he was encountered and he is dead. He was seriously injured when he was taken to that hospital. But there are several questions that are being asked as far as this entire encounter is concerned and will be asked, because we've seen an entire battery of encounters of his close aides and accomplices, and that's one reason, one of the encounters happened right outside the periphery of the Kanpur city, that there was increasing apprehension in the mind of Vikas Dubey. If you look at the way he was found, whether he surrendered or whether he was arrested, he really feared that the police would kill him in the encounter. He feared for his life. All his henchmen were being killed. One of the villagers who's coming out, उनसे पूछते हैं, बाबा विकास दुबे जो है एनकाउंटर में मारा गया है, आपके ही गांव का था, क्या कहेंगे?
ठीक है, जो हुआ तो बढ़िया है बाबा। उनको तो पूछ लिया कभी
तो आपको लगता है ठीक हुआ?
ठीक है, जो कुछ ठीक है।
तो गांव में रहता था, उसकी वजह से भय था, डर था?
अरे डर तो नहीं है, बाकी वो कुछ लोगों का तो भय है तो काम बहुत लोगों का भैया।
So you see, there is a very studied silence, very few villagers talking, and it was a long reign of fear, long reign of terror. Vikas Dubey had turned out to be somebody who enjoyed clout not only in any single party. He was close to many politicians across the political spectrum. That can only be explained why, with more than 60 charges of murder, kidnapping, loot, Vikas Dubey was still not in one of the most wanted lists of the UP government. But importantly, the way the entire encounter has happened, it's just a leaf out of a Bollywood script, and in fact, there are many questions being raised, because if you remember Vikas Dubey at the Mahakal temple, everybody saw how he screamed out his name, that he's Vikas Dubey Kanpurwala. So he saw that coming, and this is the house of his maternal uncle. We just spoke to the relatives a while ago. Now police force deployed outside their house. Of course, his relatives are in a state of shock, but it is important that finally, the Vikas Dubey, who was being chased by the UP police, their entire chase has come to an end. Vikas Dubey didn't imagine that it will come to an end like this, and we would expect a briefing shortly by the police force.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.